Hey guys, Sandy here, and I have my Stories by the Month kit that came while I was away. So I'm going to bust into this and see what we can see. Now, I purposely avoid the sneak peeks and the shares by Allie Edwards because I like to be surprised when I open up my kit. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is the chipboard, and it says, "The living is easy, hello summer, last day of school, love you dad, sun, please and thank you, summertime loves, the sweet little stories of summer, glory days of summer, lazy days, the days look like this, so much love for this, summer stories, around the yard, thanks for everything, and happy Father's Day." So there isn't a lot of her handwriting, which works for me, because I like my own handwriting in my books, and I don't mind having other people's handwriting every once in a while, but I prefer mine. So that's a nice chipboard, and those colors are fantastic. Here is the stamp. It says Father's Day, Summer Loves, and these look like they are not a solid stamp. It's a diagonal line. Backyard Adventures, the days look like this, thanks for everything, and see ya. So then here is that one card with a quote. "These are the days we dream about when the sunlight paints us gold." And like I said, I won't use this card. I might use it as a base or punch out something for this orangey color because I really do like that color. And then let's open up this guy and see what we got. Okay, so the 4x6 card, Father's Day, Stories of the Day. I might cover that up as well. 1, 2, 3, Loving These Stories. This chapter equals summer. And June stories. Then for the 3x4 cards, we have Loving These Lessons Learned. Here's what I'm learning. Dad stories. Every summer has a story. So thankful for you, Dad. Super love you. Do more things that make you forget your phone. Summer stories, and then a date. This would be cute to like stamp something there. See ya. Let's get out of here. Time for pools and sun and grilling and laying under the stars. All right, so that is my June Stories by the Month kit. And I believe I am only through February, if I remember correctly. So I need to get on it and get caught up with this project that I'm doing, because I definitely like the project. I definitely like having the little moments in my album like that, and that's what I use this for, is those little moments. Go ahead, you can check out the Stories by the Month playlist on my channel if you want to see what I have completed already or what these kits look like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon.